Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you saw the quantum numbers lecture and try to revise it a couple of times so that we are ready to solve the worksheet. Also, I am expecting you guys to have tried your best in the online quiz so that you got most of the answers right, if not all of them. Okay, let's review it regardless. I'm going to go in a much slower pace, because this is also a time for me to explain the concepts as well. Okay, so now let's look into question number 1. So the question number 1 is talking about the number of electrons in sulfur atom having n plus L equals 3. So what I am trying to teach you is how to actually do it and how to think. Okay. Now question number 1, it says n plus L equals 3. So n plus L 3 இருக்கணும் அப்படினா என்னெல்லாம் possibility? n 3 இருக்கலாம், L 0 இருக்கலாம், n 2 இருக்கலாம், L 1 இருக்கலாம், n 1 இருக்கலாம், இது 2 இருக்கலாம், இது 0 3. But we know that L values are 0 to n minus 1, so this is impossible, this is impossible. Now this is actually what type of orbital? 3s 2p. Now 3s 2p, so we have sulfur. Sulfur has 1s2, 2s2, 2p 6, 3s2, 3p 5. Now they are asking about the maximum of electrons in sulfur having n plus L equals 3. So they are talking about 2p and 3s. So that is 6 electron here, 2 electron here. So that gives you 8 electrons, option delta. Number 2, the correct set of quantum numbers, 4 quantum numbers for the valence electron or outermost electron of calcium. So we are looking at calcium. So you want to remember the periodic table. Periodicity la nama idha paaka porom. Okay. So now you have here hydrogen here, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, lithium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. So we are talking about this one. So this is 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s. So I know it is 4s. So calcium has 4s2 outermost electronic configuration. So n is 4, correct? L is 0 because it is a s orbital. Ml is 0. Ml is 0 because L is 0 means Ml has to be 0. Now they are talking about the correct set of quantum numbers for the valence electron, outermost electron of calcium. Now you got to be very careful here. 4 0 0 ஒரே ஒரு option தான் இருக்கு. Now ms, is it plus half or minus half? Now normally this is plus half, this is minus half. But nobody tells us that I cannot take this electron first and then this electron. So இதுவும் வேலன்ஸா இருக்கலாம், இதுவும் வேலன்ஸா இருக்கலாம். So both of the options are correct. They won't give you only one, they'll give you any of them. Okay. Number 3, choose the correct option regarding energy of empty orbitals. So why they are saying empty orbitals? You want to look into this. Empty orbital illama, if it is filled orbital completely அப்படினா, depending on who it is with, the orbitals might be disturbed a little bit, but for you guys, you don't have to worry, that is higher level chemistry. It doesn't really matter. So question number 3, let's first write the orbitals. So first one enna irukum? N equals 4, L equals 0, 4s, 3d, 3p, 3s. This is what is given, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? It is better that you write it in the exam itself right next to that, then arrange them in the order of energy. So energy la edha adhigama irukum? This is 1 2 3 4. So lowest energy enna irukkalam adula? Obviously 3s. So energy la 3s less than 3p less than 4s less than 3d. So 4 less than 3 less than 1 less than 2. Now let's see what all matches. Is the first one correct? 1 greater than 4, first is correct. Second one, 2 greater than 1, 2 is greater than all of them, that is also correct. Option Charlie, 2 greater than 3, that is also correct. Option Delta, 1 equals 3, wrong. So A is correct, B is correct, C is correct, option Alpha is correct. Okay. Now the fastest way to know that is, right away பார்த்தோனே என்ன சொல்லலாம்னா, no two orbitals will have the same energy. So delta கொடுத்திருக்கிறது இது impossible. So D is wrong, but we cannot do the answers based on that because D is wrong னு தெரியும். We don't know whether. Now look at the options. All of these முடியாது. Option delta is wrong. Option Charlie wrong. D is wrong. That tells me that only option A and B are possible. You don't have to look into B and C is correct or not. Only A correct or but regardless, do it properly. It's easy. Question number 4. Which of the following may represent the possible quantum numbers for last electron of gallium? So periodic properties we will see this in much more detail. Gallium belongs to boron group, boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. So gallium is there. So they are talking about may represent possible quantum numbers for the last electron. So this is 2p, 3p, 4p. That's what we have. So I have n equals 4, l equals 1, 4p. What is ml equals minus 1? Correct? ml is minus 1. What is ms? Plus half or minus half? I don't know which one. Okay, even this is gallium. As I told you, it's only human invention. So plus clockwise spin and anti-clockwise spin difference kadiyadu energy la. So now which of the following may represent? So which may represent? So now 4 comma 1 comma, correct? Then I need to have minus 1, but the option is not given because may represent. So what it means is all these three, take these are empty orbitals, correct? So start with empty orbitals. Now I want to put one electron. Why should I put it here? Why cannot I put it here? Why not here? This is unconventional. This is what this question is about, most to do with energy. So normally this is correct. இப்படி இருக்கணும்ன்ற அவசியம் இல்லை. இந்த ஒன் எலக்ட்ரான் இங்கே இருக்கலாம், ஸ்பின் டவுனாகவும் இருக்கலாம். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் தி ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் பாசிபிள்? ஸோ 3 is possible, 4 is possible. Option Charlie is the correct one. Number 5. The radial distribution curve. And the curve அவ்வளோ முக்கியம் இல்லை. Radial means for you guys it is spherical. So distribution curve எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா spherical nodes தான். Basically the curves are probability curve. இதெல்லாம் nodes. You don't need to know all this. All I need to know is radial distribution. Okay, spherical node கேட்குறாங்க with double dumbbell. Single dumbbell means p orbital, double dumbbell means d orbital. So they are talking about d orbital of fourth principal shell. So n equals 4. That tells me they are talking about 4d orbital. And here they are asking radial distribution curve. So total nodes is total nodes. We saw total nodes n minus 1. Angular is L. Radial or spherical is n minus L minus 1. That equals 4. L வந்து இதுக்கு 2 minus 1 is 1. Option Charlie. Sixth one is very simple. Same 3p. They talk about spherical nodes. I'll do all of them. Total nodes equals n minus 1 equals 3 minus 1 is 2. And our angular equals L equals 1. அப்போ radial என்னவா இருக்கணும்? Total 2 இது 1. Or you can use this formula, you will get the same answer. So alpha. Question number 7. The electrons filled with the quantum numbers NL, all these are given. So let's write them down. N equals 4, L equals 1. So we are talking about 4p, 2, 4s, 3, 3d, 4, 3p. Okay, they are asking about increasing order of energy from lowest to highest. Let's just write this down the way we know increasing order. We know that 3p is lower in energy than my 4s, which is lower in energy than my 3d, which is lower than 4p. If this what I am doing right now is fast for you, means you have not studied your quantum numbers properly, Aufbau principle. Remember, we don't have to do this, we can do n plus l. Now we want, okay, let's write the corresponding number. 4 greater than, 2 greater than, 3 greater than 1. 4 greater than, 2 greater than, 3 greater than 1. Alpha. Simple. Question 8. Which orbital will be the first to have G subshell? G subshell. So we have S, P, D, F, G, H, I, so on. We saw that this is first principal quantum number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. So the first one to have G is fifth shell. We saw this in class as well. Ninth one is just algebra, basic algebra. What are the ml values possible total? Sorry, 12 plus 1. So 12 equals m minus 1, L equals m minus 1 by 2. Just basic algebra. Option Charlie. Okay, we are doing fast for one particular reason. It's an easy chapter. I want you guys to gain the speed. After NP orbitals are filled, next orbital filled will be. This is a beautiful question. You can do L plus L, N plus L rule. That's the periodic table. You are always going to fill it this way. So my S orbital, sorry, and then here is my F orbital. So in that we F fill so you're always going to fill this NS followed by n minus 2f followed by n minus 1d followed by np. This order you want to remember. Any orbital you take, reverse la nama pannalam. Example, let's take for example 4s. 4s kapram 4 is n, okay, n on the 4, appa n minus 2 and 2, 2f irukka illa, so I cannot do 2f. Let's even write it 2f 3d 4p. Now I don't have this. This is the order in which you fill. Let's take 3s. 3s na idu now 1f 2d 3p doesn't exist. So 3s ku appuram 3p பண்ணுவீங்க. Let's go to higher level. That's where this is extremely important. Now let's take for example 6s. 6x ku appuram 4f 5d 6p. So now I got my order. Extremely simple. Now இதே நம்ம எக்ஸ்ட்ராபுலேட் பண்ணணும் ஜிக்குனா ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். ns n minus 3g அதுக்கப்புறம் n minus 2f n minus 1d np. This is actually not studying chemistry, it's just logic. Alright. Question 11. So we will see this more in detail. Actually I should have put it later, this question, but still we can do magnetic moment is square root of s into s plus 1, the spin, evlo electron othaiya irukana, but we will see this later. But at least what you want to know is, if the Bohr magnetron value is 1 point something, or electron othaiya irukku, single electron is either spin up or spin down, unpaired electron. 2 point something na 2 electron, 3 point something, luckily it turns out that 3 point something. Now what I have here 2 point something, so I need to have 2 electron alone. Fe 2 plus எடுத்துக்கலாம், or let's say for example the ones given are Fe, Ni, Mn, Co. So what do I have here? 4s2, 3d6, 3d8, 3d5, 3d7. This is what I have. What they are giving me here is Fe2 plus. அப்போ இந்த 2 electron போயிடும். 6 electron. 6 electron நீங்கள் d orbital போட்டிங்கன்னா 5, அதுக்கப்புறம் 6th போடும்போது 4 unpaired electron இருக்கும். So this is magnetic moment of this is 4 point something. இதுக்கு 8 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 electrons are unpaired, 2 point something. That's your answer. 5 electron ஒத்தையா இருக்கும். So 5 point something. இது 7 electron. இதில் ஒரு electron எடுத்தா என்ன இருக்கும்? 3 electrons. So this is 3 point something. So that's how you do the answer for this one. Right. Question number 12. The number of unpaired electron in Mn4 plus. So Mn2 plus என்ன இருக்கும்? Mn2 plus is 4s0 3d5. Mn3 plus is 4s0 3d4. Mn4 plus is 4s0 3d 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 electron இருக்கு. If they are 3 unpaired, so the answer is 3. 13th one is simple. The maximum probability of finding an electron in dxy orbital. This is 13. So if this is x, this is y. The maximum probability of finding an electron in the dxy orbital. So at an angle 45 degrees from x and y, அது உங்களுக்கு வந்து dx and y Now if I draw this, the answer will be too simple for you. I gave you in the notes the picture of the orbital, so I want you to go and do it. You want to know the difference between x squared minus y squared and dxy and dyz. I want you to look at the diagram and see where the electrons is going to be extremely high. Okay, the option is going to be at an angle 45 degrees from x and y axis, the most number of electrons, but I want you to look at it. Okay, 14th, an electron is in one of the 4D orbital. Which of the following orbital quantum number is not possible? 4D. Okay, it's in 4D orbital. அப்போ D orbital க்கு L value என்னவா இருக்கும்? L equals 0 for S, L equals 1 for P, L equals 2 for D. So L equals 2 இருக்கணும். Option beta is wrong. Right, final 15th question. Nodal plane is found in which of the following orbital? Nodal plane எதில் இருக்குன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. Okay, now when you look at it, which orbital does not have a nodal plane? S orbital. I told you that in the lecture. Ball மாதிரி இருக்கும், ஒரு plane வரவே முடியாது. S orbital க்கு L value is 0. So option alpha is wrong, beta is wrong, delta is wrong. Correct option is Charlie. Yeah, n equals 2, L equals 1, 2p orbital. So if I draw a 2p orbital, for example, okay, this is a nodal plane, this plane. இந்த பிளேனில் போனீங்கன்னா எலக்ட்ரான் இருக்கும். This plane has electron. So if I were to look at it this way, இப்படி போனீங்கன்னா 2p இங்கே இருக்குது அப்படின்னா, okay, this is the plane that you are looking at, this plane. Okay, this is the plane. Electron இருக்காது because it passes through the center. Whereas if I take this plane, this electron will be there, correct? So there is this plane, there is this plane, and there is this plane. அப்பயும் இதில் எலக்ட்ரான் இருக்கும்ல, so you cannot do this. Alright, okay, I hope you found this easy. If you have questions, let me know. We can do it in the comments box, or I will organize a live session sometime. Okay, mark it down, the things that you got it wrong, try to see whether you can fix it now, and if it is tough for you and then you understand, mark these. Those are the questions you have to revise during a revision time. எல்லா questionம் பார்க்க முடியாது, simple questions பார்த்தா time இருக்காது. Mark the tough questions, so only that you are going to do it. Okay guys, thank you.